Hi friends, this is Srinivasa Perumal. Now we discuss about to finding transfer function from the given block diagram, but not using a traditional method, using only a shortcut method. This shortcut method is very much useful for GATE exam and other competitive exams also. The transfer function TFS is defined as the ratio of Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input. In a shortcut method, the numerator path is a forward path gain and the denominator path is feedback gain. In the given block diagram, one forward path and three feedback is available. This is one feedback, seven feedback, and this one is third feedback. The output transfer function T of S equal to forward path gain. So the given question have only one forward path, this one. So the forward path gain just multiplying the one G2 and G3. So the forward path gain of G1, G2 and G3. Next, in the denominator part is a feedback. So in the given question have three feedback. The first one, this one. So this feedback is a negative feedback. So just take an opposite sign. So 1. So the given feedback is a negative feedback. So using a positive sign. So just multiplying the feedback gains. So G1, G2, G3 and here there is a no blocks. That means the value is 1. So the final value G1, G2, G3. The next path, this one, this is a second feedback. So this feedback is also a negative feedback. So using a positive sign, then the gain of the feedback is just multiplying the values. So G1, G2, G3 and H2. So G1, G2, G3 and H2. The third feedback is this one. So this is also a negative feedback. So using a positive sign, the feedback gain is just multiplying the values in the feedbacks. So G2, G3 and H1. So this is the final answer. After practicing this method, the maximum time duration to finding the transfer function in block diagram is just 30 seconds. The transfer function TFS equal to the numerator is a forward path. So G1, G2 and G3, the denominator is a feedback. So all threes are negative feedback. So using positive sign. The first one G1, G2 and G3. The next one G1, G2, G3, then H2. Then third one G2, G3 and H1. Thank you.